In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot if you're having issues with ChatGPT loading properly. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're all set to get some work done, or maybe you're just eager to ask a question and the page just won't cooperate. So here's a straightforward guide to get things running smoothly again. Let's start with the simplest solution, refreshing the page. It might sound basic, but sometimes all you need is a little reset. You can do this easily by clicking the refresh or reload button on your browser. Alternatively, if you like using keyboard shortcuts, just press F5. This action prompts your browser to try and reload the page as if it's the first time you're visiting, which can often fix minor loading glitches. If ChatGPT loads properly after this, congratulations, your problem is solved. But what if refreshing doesn't do the trick? Then it's time to look at your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for accessing web-based tools like ChatGPT. First, ensure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Simply checking your device's network settings can confirm this. Next, try opening another website like Google just to see if it loads. If other sites are also having trouble loading, this indicates there might be an issue with your internet connection. In such cases, a good old-fashioned fix is to restart your router, or if you're on mobile data, try reconnecting. Often, refreshing your connection can resolve any underlying network hitches. If your internet is fine and ChatGPT still isn't working as expected, the length of your prompt might be the issue. Large complex requests can sometimes be overwhelming for the system to process efficiently. If your query is extensive, breaking it down into smaller, digestible parts can make a significant difference. Try shortening your prompt and sending a more concise question to see if this leads to better results. Simplifying your inputs not only helps with getting immediate feedback, but also enhances the quality of the responses you receive. And there you have it. Some practical steps to troubleshoot loading issues with ChatGPT. By refreshing the page, checking your internet connection, and shortening your prompts, you should be able to resolve most common issues and ensure a smooth, productive experience. Remember, these steps aim to quickly identify and fix the problem, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. We hope this guide has been helpful and makes your use of ChatGPT as seamless as possible. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.